Hey, Kevin, Ben Rock Garage. It's been a minute. Sorry. Happens. Been busy. Working out of town every couple weeks. Not here. Family stuff. Weather. Maybe moving. It's just been absolutely crazy. But, you know, you got to just give me a little slack, okay? Just a little bit. I'm still working on stuff. The thing with it is, if I can get words out, because sometimes that's difficult as well. But the thing with it is that I still have been working on the car, but it's been in very small portions. So it hasn't been worthwhile to set up a camera, because then I would be setting up a camera and be done. So instead it was, get in here, get a little bit done, get out. Get in here, get a little bit done, get out. And, I'll show you that progress. Hold on. Of course, as you know, engine's in, okay? The distributor's in. Wires are on. Carburetor is on. Got to keep the bugs out of it. Pulleys are on. Fuel pump is on. Starter is on. Headers are next. So you see, it's small bites. These headers are next. I get those slapped on there here pretty quick. I mean, I'm just hoping they're not the exact ones I had before, but they're the same design, different company. So as far as I'm concerned, they should just slap on this engine, bolt up to my current exhaust, which is, would be golden if that would happen. That's what I'm hoping for. And then from there, we'll see what I got. I got the finished fuel tank and things like that, radiator, transmission, and maybe fire this thing off. It'd be so awesome. We've got to get to that point. Especially if I got to move, because then if I could just roll this thing up on a trailer, running, drive itself, whoo, that'd help. Man, that would help so much. And then I'm hopefully looking at getting a bigger shop, more room, and plus, be in a bigger place, which would get rid of, the clutter. I'm out here in 384 square feet with the wife and kids. Yeah, that's a tiny place. It is. And it's to help my mom. She's in the big house. I get what I get. So, but that's okay. Bigger and better times coming. I appreciate y'all hanging out. I'm sorry I haven't been around. I promise you, I'll get back to a normal schedule at some point. I got to go out of town again here in 2 days. So, it is what it is. I'll get these things back together. I'm continuing. Just keep with me. Promise. I'll get there. Just keep with me. I need you. You need me? Nah, I don't know if you need me, but maybe I'll give you some entertainment, some information. I don't know. Whatever you tune in for, I'm glad you're here. But just stick it out. I'll be back on it. Appreciate it. This is Kevin, Ben Rock Garage. Till next time. We'll talk to you then.